In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you reset a forgotten screen time passcode on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll all the way down until you find the option of screen time. Now scrolling down, you're going to find the option of manage screen time. Click on that. Then click on the option change screen time passcode. You're going to find two options. Select change screen time passcode. Now you'll be prompted to enter your current screen time passcode, but you'll need to click on the option forgot passcode. Now enter the Apple ID and password that you used when you originally set up Screen Time Passcode Recovery. After you type in that, you will be prompted to create a new screen time passcode. Enter your new passcode, then re-enter it to confirm. You may also be asked to enter your Apple ID password one more time to complete the process. After verification is complete, your new screen time passcode will be saved and you can immediately use it to manage your screen time settings. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.